I'm Celeste from Playworks. Play is an essential part of a child's education. Play affects the way a child's brain interprets the world. It physically prepares the brain to take in new information. When we leverage the power of play, we can help to build the safe, stable, and nurturing relationships that can buffer against toxic stress, helping our kids to be more resilient. Educators are facing tons of new challenges, such as setting norms and building communities in virtual environments, in-person environments with COVID safety protocols, or hybrid environments. In order to meet the needs of our partner schools during this time, we've launched a new service called Keep Playing. Keep Playing is designed to provide educators with easy-to-use, curated weekly content. The content includes games and ways to modify those games to fit particular school or class setups, in addition to brain breaks and resources to help educators and kids build connection, reduce stress, and so much more. Each week, educators who have registered for this service will receive an email that brings them to new Keep Playing content. The email features a game of the week that can be played virtually or physically distant, an associated social and emotional skill, language that can be sent out directly to students and families. This is critical because it prompts users to access the portal and helps keep a consistent scope and sequence of social and emotional skill development occurring across schools. Once users log in, they'll first see a short video demonstrating how to play the game of the week. These Playworks games were intentionally modified for virtual environments and include easy ways to transition them to in-person. Below the game video, there are written directions and some debrief questions related to the SEL skill of the week, as well as additional modifications which make it simple for educators to be able to lead this game in a new way that best fits the student's needs and environment. We've also included a brain break with written rules and a graphic demonstration to give any educator an opportunity to have an additional short activity to play with the class each week. And lastly, you'll see some blogs and resources to support our educators' learning and well-being. We are committed to supporting them with building connections and decreasing stress. And users can always access content from previous weeks by visiting the Keep Playing homepage and scrolling down to the archive. If you're interested in supporting this innovation or providing this resource to people in our community, speak with your local Playworker today.